What's up, man?
Cleanup episode.
Part 2. It's probably 4. I don't know.
At this point, I don't know.
You're always cleaning. But
it's to get this moving.
But today's cleanup episode is actually the real one.
Yeah, the real one where we're gonna see everything in the garage. Cause those useless things that y'all remember us kicking from that other video. It's all gone.
It's gone. So we have more space.
YouTube, we have hit 100 subs.
Yeah, 100 people subscribe. I mean, like, I'm not gonna say that like 1,000 people be watching and shit and you're not subscribing. I ain't gonna say none of that.
I mean,
80% of you, 90 something percent of you are not subscribed, and I'm gonna put it on the screen because I have YouTube Studio. You're not gonna see
YouTube analytics.
90% of you are not subscribed. Go subscribe, please, and thank you.
You're an employee.
What are you doing? Cleaning cooler boxes. You want to drink? Come work.
You have to clean the garage, not the hey employee. Anyways, guys,
It's very messy.
thank you, international audience.
Things are not really placed properly. Things are everywhere, and this is not looking good. It's not looking. Look at this. This was never there.
Yeah.
Only that is a new thing. I don't know how all of this moved, but it moved. At least the car is still here. It's carrying in a way. You know, we have that maximum angle kit, drift spec angle kit. Yeah.
Even though it's front wheel.
And we're not gonna be able to drift with that angle. This is where we are right now.
I didn't expect it to be this.
That's a lot of shit, bro.
This is just from the car.
This is this. Like,
From the car, came from afar, shooting star, niggas trying to get my drip, but they...
we are right now. Everything is out. Y'all already saw that. Every single thing, even the car itself. This is the first time the garage is actually empty when we clean it. Now the only thing in here is the engine, because we do not have the thing to lift the engine up to put it somewhere else. But that's cool. Once we lift the engine up, we'll clean under here. We're gonna pour water all over the garage and the walls, just so that it can actually be clean. But the car is looking not good. It's not looking good. But don't worry, guys, give it some time. You will love this car one day. Let's get back to what we were doing.
I spy with my little eye.
So now we are gonna put everything back. What's the word, gang?
That's the one.
That's the word. Shit is the word.
Ladies on side. Oh, YouTube.
Hello.
Yeah. Car progress.
Nothing yet, but give it
That
time.
one needs a hose down.
Again.
We've fast forwarded, flashed, backed,
Everything.
forwarded.
You didn't see the process of this. You can see the garage. It's not clean, but it's packed.
And you can see it's an organized mess. You see outside how it is right now and everything. And
Yeah.
hey, we're tired, man.
Not we need. Not we really need.
Don't say it.
We need y'all to like the video.
And subscribe.
Comment down below what you want to see in the next video.
Well, it's gonna be the car. Then.
You don't have a choice. You better like this car. Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's out.
Woohoo! It's not like it's working. So busy, gang. This is, yeah, hey. This is the weirdest form of the Corsa that we've seen. All this shit you can over Icon delete.
Yeah.
Are you doing it? AC delete.
Temptations. See when someone comes to me, Kaka, you have to just listen.
Still has water. Corsa AC for sale. For still good condition, has water inside. Yeah.
Trying to make money this early.
Yes. Nigga. YouTube is not paying us yet. Another addition to the family. And now Maurice is just taking. Ooh, is that his hand? He's taking out the bracket right there. That's meant to hold the steering column and basically everything on the back and the side. There's diversity. There's no such thing as racism. Okay, please just our friends, but racism exists everywhere. I just don't like it. Gotta all be good people. Okay, we haven't uploaded much Project Corsa related videos because we've been busy with automotive content in any aspect. But now we're back here and we just, let me show you guys how far we got. Homies are busy with the dash. Seats out, everything out, even carpet, interior, everything is legit out for spray. Okay, bumper out, lights out, car still like this. Basically what we've done is a lot, but it's not showing what it's a lot. But yeah, oh, the box is out. Let me just show y'all. AC box. See? Out. That 15-year-old water. Damn. Yeah, y'all know engine is out. pipings, not pipings, wiring. It's basically the last bits that's gonna get out.
As you can see, your boys' hands are dirty, but interior dashboard is out. Everything that has to do with wires is also out. So now it's just the bows. You have to take the soundproof out, and then we're still struggling to get this out, but we're probably gonna get it out. And then in the front, as you can see, this is the last thing we have to take out, and then it's gonna be suspension, and then yeah.